Dear friends, in this video we will explore is the maximum time period of 120 days for completing a prepackaged insolvency resolution process, PPIRP, under Section 54D of the IBC mandatory. Upon expiration of this period, whether the PPIRP must be terminated, and if the resolution plan is not approved, is the RP required to file an application for the termination of the PPIRP proceedings? RP of Kethos Tiles Pvt. NCLAT New Delhi completion time period for PPIRP under Section 54D. According to Section 54D.1, a PPIRP must be completed within 120 days from the PPIRP commencement date. Section 54D.3 states that if the Committee of Creditors doesn't approve a resolution plan within 90 days from the date of PPIRP commencement date, the resolution professional must apply to the Adjudicating Authority the day after the 90 days end to end the PPIRP. Sections 54D and 54N make it clear that the PPIRP doesn't automatically end after 120 days. It only ends when the Adjudicating Authority issues an order. This 120-day period is crucial because it ensures the process stays on track. Delays can reduce the value of the company's assets, so the IBC aims to resolve issues promptly to maximize the company's value. Can the interpretation of CIRP provisions be applied to PPIRP? The humble NCLAT has referenced judgments from cases like Surendra Trading Company v. Jugalal Kamlapat Jute Mills Company Ltd. and Committee of Creditors of Essar Steel India Ltd. In the Essar Steel case, the Supreme Court looked Section 12 of the IBC that required completing CIRP within 330 days. The court decided that the term mandatory in this rule was too rigid and that in certain situations, the adjudicating authority or appellate tribunal could extend this period. This Supreme Court ruling shows that even when the law specifies a strict deadline, there can be flexibility if justified. Even if Section 12 is not made applicable to PPIRP, the interpretation by the Supreme Court can be used to understand and apply the ruling in Section 54B of the IBC for PPIRP. Conclusion: the extension of the PIRP timeline depends on the specifics of each case. Chapter 3A of the statutory scheme establishes that the PPIRP is intended to benefit MSMEs in distress, with a 120-day completion period. However, this timeline does not preclude the adjudicating authority from extending the process if sufficient cause is shown. Section 54D clarifies that there is no automatic termination of the PPIRP after 120 days. Instead, the process may continue if the adjudicating authority, exercising its discretion, finds valid reasons to extend it. For any query or assistance regarding IBC-related matters, contact us, WhatsApp 972018105. Thank you for watching.